coal seam, coal project financing, the drill hole spacing is pretty straightforward. It's all about quality, and the seams are pretty continuous. When you get into, for example, a gold type of a situation, you could hit narrow veins. Is it a disseminated gold deposit? Is it structurally controlled? Sometimes when you're doing your drilling, you might hit a very high grade zone, and that could be not necessarily representative of the entire deposit. And so it's something called a nugget effect. And if you visualize a nugget, like the old miner panning for gold and he hits the nugget, that's a similar thing that you would get in this drilling operation. And so with that nugget effect, you can take that into account when you're estimating your ore reserves, and you can say, well, based on the other assays that we've got throughout these various drill holes and the model, we think that this one particular grade is too high. And so you can cut the grade to a certain level and say, well, if it's above a certain assay, we're going to assume that it's not any higher than this grade, so that you minimize that nugget effect. And then what that would do is it would overestimate the grade of your deposit. And if you overestimate the grade of your deposit, then you're not going to get the ounces of gold out that you thought, and therefore you're not going to generate the revenue you thought you were going to generate.